Hi everyone! In this video we will find the least common multiple, or the LCM, using the prime factors method. This means it will make a factor tree for both 27 and 25. Starting with 27, making our factor tree, we can do 3 times 9 makes 27. Now 3 is prime, so we'll circle it, and that branch is finished. 9 is a composite, so we need to find the factors, which are 3 and 3. And again, 3 is prime, so we'll circle those, and now all of our branches are complete. So we can move to the number 25. Factoring 25, we get 5 times 5. Both of those are prime, so we'll circle, and now all of our factor tree branches are complete. So now we're going to move into finding the least common multiple. This is where we're going to compare all of our prime factors. Factors of 27 are, and let's go from least to greatest. We have 3 times 3 times 3, and we don't have any others, but we could list them if we had more and they were larger. We would continue going that direction. Now let's find all of the factors of 25. Going from smallest to greatest, I don't have any 3s, and because I'm going to be comparing these, I'm going to put a line down here so that I can compare them. So I'm going to skip over the 3s and put my 5s over here because I'm going in least to greatest order. And now, because I'm going to be comparing the prime factors, I don't want to duplicate any factors. And because there's nothing here duplicating with any of these 3s, I can just bring them straight down. So the least common multiple will have all 3 of these 3s. And again, I don't have any duplicates with the 5s, so I'm just going to bring both of those straight down with 5 and 5. If I had, now I don't, but if I had a 5 here and a 5 or a 7 here or so forth, if this 5 were here, I would only bring one of those down because it would be in common. I don't, so I still have the 5, but just so you know that if we have multiples, we only bring one down. This is why we're stacking them up. If I had a 7 in the 27 and a 7 in the 5 or the 25, I would only bring down 1 7 because we don't want to duplicate the multiples because we are looking for the least common of them. Now, let's go ahead and we can erase those. We don't have any 7s. Oh, it won't let me erase. So I'm just going to have to cross these out. This is not there, but if it were, we would only bring one down. All right, now that we have all of our common multiples and we don't have any duplicates, we'll go ahead and multiply all of our common multiples, and we get 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5, and we can put that into our calculator. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, which we know from our factor tree. And 5 times 5 is 25, again from our factor tree. 27 times 25 is 675. So our least common multiple, or the LCM, is 675. And now we're all done.